Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like contacts. Now click on one of your apps from one of those options, allowed or denied. I will go with Instagram from denied, and apply the best option for you by simply clicking on it, allow or deny. So when I click on allow and go back, as you can see, Instagram just gained access to my device's contacts. But you can always choose any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then click on it. Now, instead of tapping on one of those options, click on See All Permissions over here and manage all of them from chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!